Yes, children, I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School. Today we will start the next topic of integer, that is operation on integers. Operation means that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So first we are learning how to add addition. Addition of integers we do in two ways in the integers. First, manually or by calculation. Second, on the number line. So we will understand in both the way. First, when we are doing manually, we must remember the rule of addition. Same sign figure same sign figures will be added and sign will remain same in the answer. In our own language, we are learning these rules. Same sign figures will be added and sign will remain same in the answer. For example, plus 5 plus 2 both will be added because both are having same sign. Plus 5 plus 2 is equal to plus 7. And because in the starting plus sign is not mandatory, so we can write like this also: 5 plus 2 equal to 7. We can remove this plus also. Here single integer is there, we can remove this plus also. But we cannot remove this plus. If we will remove it and no sign will be there, it will become multiplication. Always remember, if you have written 5 and no sign is there, 0.2 or multiply, it will become multiply. 5 to the 10. If no sign will be there, it will be assumed as multiplication. Similarly, minus 5 minus 2 will be equal to minus 7. Same sign figure will be added. And sign will remain same in the answer. Sign will be of minus. Clear? So this is how we will do manually. Suppose minus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 7. So you can see that these three numbers are having same sign. So these three will be added: minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 5, minus 7, it will become minus 12, and plus 5 we will write as it is. Plus 5 we will write as it is. These three will be added because these three are having same sign. So they will be added and sign will remain same in the answer. Now after that, what we will do? That we will do in subtraction, because after that subtraction will be there. The concept of subtraction we will do after addition. So remember, we are learning the addition here. How we add the numbers. Suppose here it is plus 3 also. Then minus 2, minus 3, minus 7, they will be added and will become minus 12. 5 and 3, they will be added and they will become plus 8, because these two are having same sign. So always remember, same sign figures will be added and sign will remain same in the answer. And do not remember the rules plus plus plus, minus minus plus. Don't remember that rule. That create a greater confusion among the young minds. So remember this rule and don't repeat that rule plus 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 minus minus plus. Don't repeat that rule in your mind. That is the major obstacle. Now this is the rule to add the numbers manually or by calculation. Now we will do the addition on the number line. Addition on the number line on number line. So if we are adding, to add positive number, positive integer, to add positive integer on the number line, we will go to the right, and to add negative integer, we will go to left. Suppose here it is a question, minus 5 plus 8. Minus 5 plus 8, and second part is 4 plus minus 8. Here we are adding positive number, here we are adding negative number. So how we will do on the number line? For the A part, we will make the number line, here it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my starting number, minus 5. So first round it, this is starting point. Now I have to add 8, and that is positive. We will go to the right. This is first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, then eighth. First, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So we are going step by step. So we can put the arrow that we are going on the right side. So this will be my answer. So you can do in this way also, or you can do in this way also. First count the step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and directly you can put the arrow here. So this is also correct. Both the ways are correct. You can count one by one, or you can count directly. Ultimately, when we are adding a positive number, we will go to the right. Now come to the next part, that is B part. Adding a negative number. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be my starting point, 4. And I will go to the left 8 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will take minus 1 here, minus 2 here, minus 3 here, minus 4, minus 5. This is my number line. This is starting point. And go step by step. 8 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my answer. So this is how we do on the number line. You can do directly also by calculating all these things. Put the arrow here that we are going on the left side. So on the number line, we do the addition in this way. If we are adding positive number, we will go to the right. We are adding negative number, we will go to the left. For the practice, you can write, do on the number line. First question, minus 4 plus minus 7. Second question, minus 3 plus 7. So you can do these two questions for your practice. These two questions. One more question I am explaining here, like minus 3 plus 5 plus minus 2. Minus 3 plus 5 plus minus 2. And the question heading is same. Add the integers on the number line. So how we will do? So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And my starting point is minus 3. This is my starting point. Starting point. Because I am adding positive number, so I will go to the right. 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will reach here. After this, I will reach on this step. Then I am adding. So after this, my answer is this. Now I have to return back 2 steps because I am adding negative integer. So I will go to the left. 1 step, then 2 steps. So after this, I will go back here. And this will be my answer. So this is how we do on the number line about addition. Now the next is subtraction. Subtraction, again there are 2 ways. First is by calculation or by manual, and second way is on the number line. So if we are using the calculation or manual way, so we will remember this rule. Opposite sign figures will be subtracted and big figure sign will come in result. So this is the rule. Opposite sign figure will be subtracted and big figure sign will come in the result. So remember this rule. Again I am telling minus minus plus 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 minus minus. Don't remember that rule. That create a lot of confusion, and that is why the students are not able to do the questions of integer. They stuck every time. Even this problem is there up to class 10th. So opposite sign figures will be subtracted and big figure sign will come in result. Suppose minus 5 plus 3 is there. They are not same sign. Now the signs are opposite. So they will be subtracted. So 5 and 3 after subtraction, difference will be 2. Big figure sign will come in result. Big figure sign will come in result. Like an addition, in case of addition, we got the answer minus 12 plus 8, and after that it will be minus 4. After that minus 4. The question which we have done in addition, we have stopped here, minus 12 plus 8. After that it will be subtracted and minus 4 will be answer. So minus 2, minus 5, minus 7. Same sign figure will be added. Sign will remain same in the result. But minus 2 plus 5, they will be subtracted, and big figure sign, that is plus, so that will come in result. And we know that plus is not mandatory, so we can write 3 also. Again, minus 11, minus 2, minus 5, all are negative. Minus 11 minus 2 minus 13, minus 13 minus 5 minus 18. Whereas minus 11 plus 5 plus 2, so minus 11, they will be added, plus 7, now they will be subtracted, minus 4. After subtraction, big figure sign will come in result. So this is how we do the subtraction. Now subtraction on the number line. On number line. If we are subtracting to subtract positive number, positive integer, to subtract positive integer, we will move to left, and to subtract negative integer, we will move to right. For example, minus 5 plus 3. So on the number line, here it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1. So starting point is minus 5. This is starting point. And to subtract positive integer, here it is positive integer. We will move to the, to subtract positive integer, yes, left, here it is -5 minus +3, positive integer. To subtract positive integer, we will move to the left. So on the left side, we will go -6, -7, -8. So 1, 2, 3. Positive integer. To subtract positive integer, we will move to the left side. And to subtract negative integer, suppose here it is -5 minus -7. Now we are subtracting negative integer. So to subtract negative integer, we will go to the right. So 7 steps, because we are subtracting negative integer. 7 steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 steps we will go to the right. So correct answer will be 2. This will be my answer on the number line. So again, to subtract positive integer, move to the left. To subtract negative integer, move to the right. So next is multiplication or division. Multiplication or division. The questions related to multiplication and division are not available for the number line. So multiplication and division usually we do by calculation. So only one rule must be remembered for multiplication. In case of multiplication or division, integers will be multiplied as usual. Multiplied or divide as usual. As usual means जैसे आज तक करते हैं ये मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड, वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना है, बट चेंज्ड साइन will come in result. Changed sign will come in result. Now how the sign will get changed? According to chart. According to chart. If first integer is positive, second integer that is also positive, then in the answer plus sign will be there. So this chart is for multiplication, division as well as combined sign. So this chart is for multiplication, to put the sign for multiplication, for division and for combined sign. So we will discuss this also, combined sign, what is the meaning of combined sign. So if both the integers to whom you are multiplying are positive, then after getting the answer, plus sign will be there. If both the integers are negative, after multiplication, again the sign will be plus. If one is negative and other is positive, then minus will come. Either this one is negative or this one is positive, this one is negative, then also. So remember this chart, it will be used to put the sign in case of multiplication and division. If both the numbers are positive to whom you are multiplying or dividing, after division plus sign will be there. Both are negative, then also plus is there. If one is negative, one is positive, then minus sign will be there. Combined sign means combined sign. For example, sometime we will get -5 plus -3 plus -2 minus -3. For example, this type of question is there. Then making the one sign, because two signs are not allowed, they will be made one. They will be converted into one sign, and that sign will be according to this chart. -5, outside plus, inside minus, outside plus, inside minus. So minus will be there, -3. Similarly, -2. And here, negative and negative, negative and negative. It will become plus sign. So these three numbers are having minus sign, so they will be added. -5, -3, -2, -10. They will be added and sign will remain same in the result. After addition, sign will remain same in the result. +3. Now the opposite sign figures are there. They will be subtracted and big figure sign will come in result. So -7. They will be subtracted, but sign in the answer will be the bigger one. So this is how we do the operation on combined sign. Now multiplication and division. -2 multiply -3. Terms will be multiplied as usual. Terms will be multiplied. 3 to just 6. But change sign will be there in the result according to chart, and sign will be changed according to chart. So in the chart you will see that if both the integers are negative, then also plus. If both are positive, then also plus. 2 multiply 3, then also. -2 multiply 3, 3 to just 6. One integer is negative, one integer is positive. So sign according to chart, minus. You can see in the chart, if one integer is negative, one is positive, in the answer after multiplication or division, minus sign will be there. So this is how we do the multiplication. So remember these three rules. These are difficult in learning, but they will give you the exact answer. And three rules are: first one, same sign figure will be added and sign will remain same in the result. Second rule, opposite sign figure will be subtracted and big figure sign will come in result. Third rule, in case of multiplication or division, terms will be multiplied as usual, but the changed sign will come in result and how the sign will get changed according to chart. If both the integers are positive, after multiplication positive. Both are negative, after multiplication positive. If one is negative, one is positive, then negative. This chart will be applied in case of making the combined sign also. Thank you. Next in the next videos.